Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this captivating tutorial, I'll guide you through the step-by-step on how to create stunning woolen flower using just pencil. This very flower can add a touch of beauty to any project. As you have seen, I made a handle on the pencil first, then wrap around the same color of wool on the pencil for 50 times. At this point, pull the woolen design out from the pencil. Then pass the extension of the wool inside the loop. Then tie to secure. Attach needle at the extension of the wool and use that to sew in a little pearl right at the center of the woolen design. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you have not done so. Thank you. When you're done with one piece, make them 5 pieces and join them together to make stunning woolen flower. Attach a medium-sized spear right at the center of the woolen flower to make it seamless and more beautiful. I trust you all will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll surely see you all in my next video. Bye.